Assalamualaikum. Today I'm making Gajar Ki Kheer. Rice 5 tsp. Now let's blend the rice. Add butter. Now take a pan. Add carrots. Add 4 spoons of milk powder in 1 cup of water. Add milk water into glass of water. Add Ober's milk. Now add milk in carrots. Now mix. Now add rice. Cook in low flame. Two cups sugar. Subscribe. Add milk cream. Again cook in low flame. Add almonds. Almost done. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.